Hello, good evening, everybody. Welcome to ML Crypto, the best crypto platform where you can learn everything you need to know about crypto. So, before I proceed further, I'd like you to hit the subscribe button and the like button and drop your comments if you have any question at all. So, today we'll be talking about how to spot a gem token on BEP20, that is Binance Smart Chain Network. I know some people have been, buying coins, and at the end of the day they buying tokens rather, and at the end of the day they don't profit anything because they are buying the wrong tokens. So today we are going to be looking out for three or four different things that we need to watch out for us to be able to spot a gem token on the Binance Smart Chain. First is the transfer rate, the time in which the transfers are happening. You need to check for the number of holders and the percentage they are holding. We need to check for their socials, their social profiles. Then the last one is their market cap, like their liquidity pool. So let's go straight to the task of the day. So like I said, today we'll be learning how to spot a gem token on the Binance Smart Chain Network. So first thing you need to do is to click on the navigation button at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on tokens. Sorry for that interruption. Then click on tokens. Then you click on view BEP20 transfers. So you click on view BEP20 transfers. So from here you see the transactions that have been happening on BEP20. See, some just happened 9 seconds ago, 9 seconds ago. So now we are going to spot a gem token. So after I click on that, you scroll down to this place, or you slide down to this place. Then you see the different tokens and that has happened within this time we just talked about just now, the 9 seconds. So one thing you need to look out for when spotting a gem token is you go for those tokens that doesn't have a logo on them, like a picture. Like this Everrise has a picture on it, but CryptoZoom doesn't have a picture on it. Wrap BNB has a logo on it. Same with Dungeon Swap has a logo on it. So we'll not go for those ones. We go for the ones that doesn't have anything. So let's check this CryptoZoom. So I'm clicking on CryptoZoom. So this CryptoZoom, okay, they just have 847 million supplies. I have 36,000 holders already. Okay. Wow. You see, I said the first thing we'll be looking out for is the transfer. The time they're happening, we'll have check that, which is the first criteria. Now, the transfer happening on this CryptoZoom, they're happening in seconds, 70 seconds, 20 seconds. Wow, which is a good one. So to confirm the second one, which is our holders, is to check on, we'll click on holders. You get? Now let's click on holders. We'll scroll to the right. Okay, 15% is allocated to this contract. The first person here is holding 10%. The next person there, 7% is for Pancake. Then the third person is holding 6%, which is a very good one. Then this other one might be for another exchange, which is holding those 5%. So when checking the holders, you have to ensure that aside the contract, the bond address, the one allocated to PancakeSwap, and all these other exchanges, the people holding these coins, like the first 3%, shouldn't hold more than, 30%. First 3%. If they should hold more than 30 to 40%, that is not a gem coin. Hope you understand. So if you calculate, this person has 10, the second person has 6, the third person has 4, which is a very good one. So the first three persons have that percentage, it means that's a gem coin. Because if somebody should have like 40% of the token, ah, and the coin now should go to the moon. If it should moon, if that person decides to sell, he will dump the coin on those with fewer percentages. Hope you understand me. So the next thing we'll check out for is the social profile. Well, you see the social profile here, profile is here, none is available for the moment. So if you want, you can put this on your watch list, or you can bookmark it. But based on the transfer that are happening, if I were you, I'll get this coin ASAP. Then the next thing is to check for the liquidity pool. So to do that, we'll copy the contract address. Then we'll now go to pool coin. You get to wait for it to load. Poolcoin.app. That is it. So all you need to do is wait for it to load. My network is kind of slow. Okay, it's now up. So we'll paste our contract address here. We'll wait for it to load. Pasting After pasting our address and it loads, we'll click on information. So you see, wow, they have a good market cap, which is 15 million US dollars, which is a very good one. So this is a very good coin. So all you just have to do is to get your BNB, you swap it on Poolcoin app here, or you go to Trust Wallet, Pancake Swap, you connect your wallet and you swap and you get it, and you are good to ride to the moon. Thank you very much. This is all for today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.